A pleasant day and a warm welcome from Pebbles channel. So now today we are going here to learn about Jolly Phonics. Okay, so before I start Jolly Phonics, let me tell you the use and importance of Jolly Phonics for the small children or for any type of for all the children. Jolly Phonics will help them to do a better work in reading and pronouncing the alphabets, okay, and even for writing in sense when you use a word or tell a child a word with the help of a sound, it will help them to write the words better. Instead of mugging up a word or mugging up a spelling, this Jolly Phonics will help. Normally phonics will help the child to write and read better. So now Jolly Phonics is also, it is of different parts. We have nearly 7 parts in Jolly Phonics. So today we are going to do part 1 in Jolly Phonics. Part 1, the first alphabet. Okay, so for each alphabet there is sounds and the formation of that alphabet and how do we pronounce the alphabet, and for the alphabet we have a small story so that the children will be a bit interested and also it will help them to understand much better. So today, let's start with Jolly Phonics. That is, we are going to start with part 1. Today is part 1 and the first alphabet today we are going to begin with is S. Okay, so part 1, the first alphabet is S. Now we will learn the sound, okay, and a small story regarding this alphabet, a small song regarding this alphabet, okay, and how do you pronounce it, and some activities we will continue like that. Okay, so the first alphabet here is S. First alphabet in part 1 is S. Now let's first learn the sound. What is the sound of this alphabet S? So now S, we pronounce it as S. I want you to keep looking at my lip movement. It is S. That is how you pronounce S. Okay, that is a sound. That's a sound for S. Now if I write a small s below near this, now we do not say capital S and small s. No. Now this is the alphabet S, okay, and this is the sound. Alright, so now if you write a S and a smaller s near, it will be easier for you to explain to your children, to your child, this is S and the sound S. Alright, once again, this is S and this is your sound S. So do not teach them as capital S and small s. Okay, no. So this is S and your sound again S. Okay children, I think you can follow that, right? Now with this S, we can now go into a small story first. Alright children, now a story. Now you can see the pictures over here, isn't it? Now you can see a picture of a boy, a dog and a snake. Okay, so now when I tell you the story, okay, I want you to listen carefully. Now when you are learning phonics, what is the most important thing is you listen. Alright, you open your ears wide out and you listen to the sound and you open your eyes also wide to look at the formation also. Is it clear with you? Yes, once again, so all your ears and your eyes open, wide open to listen and also to see what is written on the board. Okay, that is to see the formation and also to listen to the story, and then we have a small song. All right, now first again, let me tell you again, once again, this is alphabet, this is S, and your sound S. Yes, did you get the sound, children? The sound is S. Okay, right. Now, here we have the story now. So now can we go into the story, children? You will listen now. You will open your ears wide and you will listen, all right? Now, here we have a small story. Now we have little Sam, and Sam has a dog named Samson. All right, this is little Sam over here, and Sam has a dog, and the dog's name is Samson. So Sam and Samson went into the garden to play one evening. As they were playing, they saw a small pond. And into that pond, lots of fishes were moving around, small turtles were moving around, and also they could see small turtles in the water, and meanwhile some caterpillars crawling about in the garden. Okay, so now this is, once again, I will repeat the name and I want you to listen. The name of the boy is Sam, and the name of the dog is Samson. Okay, yes. Now, as the doggy was playing, that is Samson was playing around, it was going in search if it can find some small tiny bones to chew up or something small to eat. Yes, so as they both were running through the bushes, in and out the bushes, they could hear a voice. What is the voice that they heard, children? Yes, they could hear a voice, and they were wondering what was that noise. Okay, what was that sound and where that sound was from. Suddenly, what happened? They could see a snake whizzing about in the small bushes. Once again, they saw a snake whizzing. So, how does a snake whiz? Right? They saw a snake whizzing into the bushes. Samson got very scared. Okay, Samson saw the snake and it got very scared. So what happened? They let the snake crawl and move about itself and just escape from the bushes. And later Samson and Sam and Samson tried to leave this place from where it is dangerous, right, when the snake is over there. So they both moved away from the bushes and they went back home. Okay, so children, now I told you a small story, isn't it? Now I will just give you a small one more end of the story. The story, you have 3 characters over here, and the first person, that is the boy. The boy's name is Sam and the dog's name is Samson. And what did they find in the bush? A snake. Yes. Now, can you tell me what sound did you hear from the name of the boy and the dog, and what did they find inside the bush? What was the name? Yes, the boy's name is Sam. What is the sound over there? What is the beginning, what sound can you recognize, children? Sam, right? So what is the sound? Correct. What is the sound? So you say Sam. Yes. Now you know this story is, yes, connected to the word that you're going and the sound that you're learning. Now, okay, Sam, it's over. Now, can you tell me what's the dog's name that I told you? Yes, it is Samson. So again, what is the sound that you recognized over there? Yes, I want you to open your ears and listen. The sound for Samson is again Samson. So what's the sound again? Yes, S. Correct? Yes. So now you learnt 2 names. With the help of the sound, you learn 2 names. that is S, and the sound is S. You learn two names. All right. Now, what is this? Yeah, it's a snake. Yes, a snake. And now what is again the sound? The starting, what is the sound? Can you hear? Listen to me, or can you hear what I'm trying to tell you? Yes, again snake. Yes, again it is S, right? And what did I tell you? They saw a snake and the snake was izzing. Yes, how does the snake is? That's the way the snake makes a noise, isn't it, children? So you learned a word there also. It is S. The snake is, right? Okay, very good. Now, so this is Samson and Sam, Samson, the snake, and the snake is. Okay. Now, this sound, is it related to the story? Yes, very good. So, your sound is related to your story. Now, again, I want you to try, and what you are supposed to do, children, here you can try and make your own story with the same sound. You can give another name for this boy with the sound which starts with Z or with this letter S, and you can name this dog with another name which starts with S. So you get the sound as S. Okay, so you will also try to create your own story over here. Now that is over. Okay, so next what we need to do is we need to see the formation. That is, you need to learn the formation, how you are going to write this alphabet. Okay, you learn the sound. Once again S, and it is S. Once again S, and your sound is S. All right, now you will only see how we are going to write it. You need to learn the formation also, isn't it? Now before we learn the formation of this alphabet, shall we sing a small song regarding it? Can you sing a small song for that? Okay, come on. Now, can you show me, children, how does a snake move? Yes. Now, okay, with the help of the S, okay, your formation is S. Right? Your formation is S. Once again, your formation is S. This is how you write S, right? So it is S. Okay, once again S. S. Now here you have the song also. Okay, are you ready for the song, children? Yes. Now what is the song? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s. The snake is in the grass. Now did you listen? Did you open your ears wide and listen to that sound? Yes, once again, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s. The snake is in the grass. Now did you hear that S sound over there also? Yes, you did hear. So that is the sound for your alphabet S. Okay.